Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink on Monday.
We're back.
Yep. And today we have True, or TRU, however you want to pronounce that, but apple kiwi flavored, giving you focus.
I need some focus.
Enhanced sparkling beverage, caffeine, 4% juice.
That's cool. I like
Nice.
that.
All right. So, important factoids. We got 10 little calories. We do have 4% juice, 11 grams of carbohydrate, 2 grams of sugar, 30 milligrams of choline.
That's interesting.
I don't think I've heard of that one yet. Anyways,
Charlie.
maybe that's what it is. I have no idea. And also 100 milligrams of caffeine in the entire 12-ounce can. So not too bad, but not overkill. And this is getting us. Let's see, we got monk fruit extract in this, and also we're getting some yerba mate extract, which apparently is very popular in South America to make tea with. So
I'm sure you said
interesting.
that correctly.
Yerba mate, yerba mate.
I'll be your yerba mate.
That's the Australian version. Yerba mate. I don't know. So, anyways, let's see what this thing tastes like. So, apple and kiwi. Light, a little fruity. So, let's see. Interesting. It's almost kind of soury,
Yeah?
soury bitter almost
Jolly Rancher.
in flavor. Definitely, not quite that. It's like, yeah, it's kind of an interesting taste. Not heavily sweetened, that's for sure.
It's bland.
A little bit of bubble, a little bit. You do get the apple and maybe a hint of kiwi, but the apple's the one that's coming through
Very
mainly.
mild. Huh.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
So I almost think it's probably going more with the sparkling seltzer than anything else.
Yeah.
Which is an interesting whoa, camera can do weird things. Interesting market to get into on the energy style.
Yeah.
More of the seltzers, which is interesting. So
I mean, it's probably cleaner that way, whatever exactly that means. But
I prefer a little more smooth on the sweet taste myself. Maybe on some of the sours as well. But it's not bad. I mean, what was that one? Jocko's Discipline. Remember that abomination of a energy drink? That was disgusting. That was nasty. Anyways,
actually, I had blocked that out of my memory.
yeah, that was a pretty bad one. I remember that. But it is light.
Good for you.
It is light. It is clean, and it is bubbly. So
Yeah.
it gives you
Smooth.
yeah, smooth. But yeah, the taste is a little bit more on the definitely bitter. No more on the bitter side, I'd say. Not heavily sweetened.
I don't know.
No, it's pretty cold. I mean, it was right on the ice. So, anyways, I would not say I would get that again,
Not that flavor.
but it's not awful.
No.
So maybe it's something you would like to try. So I'm gonna put it at. Let's see here. We do have 100 milligrams. There are only 10 little calories in there. So we'll put it at RT because it's not terrible. It's not below SXT, so we'll put it at the RT rating. It's decent. It's not bad, but it's not one of those you're going to go pick up very
Unless
often.
you're shopping for those ingredients.
Exactly. So, but it's interesting. I think that's the first one we've ever had that had the yerba mate extract, which I believe is also helping you get that caffeine, is where that's partly coming from as well. Yeah, so that's kind of interesting. So, anyways, interesting stuff. Check out True or TRU, however you want to pronounce that. It might be something that you might want to try. For us, not so much, but still interesting nonetheless.
That's right.
Exactly.
That's
Exactly.
flavor.
It was cold and it was bubbly, so hey,
If
that
they had an
worked.
orange mango flavor,
It might be good. No, we don't know. So, anyways, guys, that's it for us. We'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.